Hey guys, this is Muhammad Usman and I'm here to tell you about the scholarship offered by Norwegian Business School. Norwegian Business School offers fully funded, partial funded scholarship for their students. So first of all, we'll talk about the programs offered by Norwegian Business School. This scholarship is for bachelor students, master students, and as well as PhD students. So let's talk about bachelor programs. Here you can see that Norwegian business schools offer Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Data Science for Business, and Bachelor of Business Digital Business. So these three programs offered by Norwegian Business School for bachelor students. So after that, let's talk about master programs. Norwegian Business School offer full-time master program in Joint Masters in Marketing, Business Analytics, Data Science for Business, Digital Communication, Entrepreneurship and Innovation, Finance, Leadership and Organizational Psychology, Quantitative Finance, Strategic Marketing Management, Sustainable Finance, and those programs who taught in Norwegian language are accounting and auditing, law and business. So these programs offered by Norwegian Business School for master degree. After that, let's talk about PhD programs. So basically, Norwegian Business School offered specialization in communication, leadership and organization, marketing, strategy, as well as accounting and economics in and it also in finance. So these programs so these areas are available in Norwegian Business School for specialization. After that, let's talk about how to apply and the application procedure for this scholarship. So first you just need to write in your web browser search bar Norwegian Business School and then just move on the official website of Norwegian Business School. After that, you just click on that in this option. Here I will tell you, just wait a moment. Here you just click in that option. Can you see that? Here. After clicking in that, you just need to sign in your account. Here, just wait. After that, you just need to click on that option, sign in. Here you can see three options. Basically, you can sign in. You will you have to sign in your account with your email address because we are international students, so we can sign in with our email address. I already have created my account, so I just log in. You need to click on create user account. Here you you will have to give your email address, then click on send email. You will just receive a email from Norwegian Business School. Click on that, verify your email address, and then submit your password, and then you will have to go back here. Just wait a moment. So guys, I was saying that you just need to submit your email address. After that, you have you will receive a verification email from Norwegian Business School. You just need to verify your email address, then put your password, and then come back to sign in. Here you just sign in your account. After that, just wait a moment. After signing your account, you just click on your program that you are applying for. Basically, English is not my native language. I am making a video in English because some of my friends are from different countries of Africa, different countries like Africa, Japan, etc. So that's why I'm making a video in English language. So just ignore the little mistakes of my vocabulary. After that, you just click on your program that you are applying for. I'm applying for bachelor program. Here I will give you a tutorial. Just apply. I will apply for bachelor of business. Here you just click on apply now. After that, click on add to my application. Here you can see your application in this option. After clicking that, you just need to click on go to application. Here you can see that basically I already here. After that, you just click on next. Here you have to give your personal information, your name and your country information. I already submitted information. Basically, I'm giving you a tutorial, so that's why I'm giving that type of information. So you have to give your country information, country code, mobile number, email, address line, country, zip, postal code, city, citizenship, language, and then continue to click to next. So after that, you have to put your previous education. My previous education was in Pakistan, so I just click on Pakistan. How do you qualify for bachelor level? I have been admission to full studies programs or upper secondary school, high secondary school. So you just, if you have completed, if you are in university and you have done your 1 year, you just click on I have it. I have given admission to BI full studies previously, or if you have done your high school, then you just click on upper secondary school. If you have completed equivalence course at another university, can college you can apply to. So here uh, they are saying that if you have completed your 1 year in any other college and you want to transfer your program, so you can click that. But I am not completed my 1 year in any university, so I just click on no. After that, here he asks you to evaluated to be evaluated for scholarship eligibility. Here you just click on yes. After that, so after that, here guys, you just need to submit your documents. These documents are mandatory. First of all, you just need to submit your passport. You just click on that upload file, and here you click your app of PDF file and then submit that in your application. After that, you just need to submit your high school diploma and transcripts. After that, you just need to submit your CV. After that, you just need to submit your English proficiency requirement for bachelor English proficiency certificate. You can submit your English proficiency IELTS, or you can also submit your English proficiency certificate from previous institute. After that, you just need to write or submit a scholarship application letter. Why you are thinking that you are eligible for this scholarship? Just write a letter. Basically, this letter is consists of one or half page. You just write your financial situation here in this letter, and then submit your scholarship application letter. After that, you have to submit your financial plan. For example, if this scholarship is not awarded you, then how will you pay your tuition fee and etc to the institute? Here you just write your name, date of birth, citizenship, country of residence, and after that you just need to write how to submit your fees if you are not awarding for scholarship to the institute. Here you write your own, if you have own savings, family support, bank loan, scholarship, other etc. Okay, after that you have to come back and then submit your letter of motivation for bachelor. Basically this letter is mandatory, and also let's say that this letter is a life of your application. If you you can say that if your letter of motivation is not good, you may be out for this batch, for this scholarship. So you have to write your motivational letter perfect. Okay, after that you have to submit transcript of higher education from higher education, and after that you just click on next. Here guys, you can see your application summary. Here your personal detail, your documents. Just you review your application and click on that bar in the box, and after that submit your application. So guys, you have successfully submit your application. After that you will receive a condition or a we or acceptance or rejection from Norwegian Business School within 3 or 4 months. So just waiting your application, and do like and subscribe because it is my first video on YouTube, and I'm feeling nervous. That's why. So guys, just do like and subscribe. Take care of yourself.